Good evening, friends. Today we will try to understand the concept of money, which is the central concept behind the study of economics. To understand the concept of money, first we should understand what happens when there is no money in an economy. The system that we follow in the absence of money in an economy is barter system. So, what is barter? Barter is an act of trading goods or services between two or more parties without the use of money. In the absence of money, if we try to exchange goods and services, that system, that arrangement is known as barter system. For example, you have 2 kgs of rice and you are in a need of a shirt, a new shirt, right? So you will try to find a person who has a new shirt and who needs 2 kgs of rice, right? So this arrangement is called barter system, and this problem is called double coincidence of wants. What is the double coincidence of wants? That you have something to sell and you need something in exchange of it. The other person also should have something to sell, and you should need that thing that he's willing to sell in exchange of what you are willing to sell. For example, you have rice, the other person has a shirt, you need that shirt in exchange of this rice, right? So in a large economy, when there are so many players, so many commodities, so many services, this system will invariably fail. You will find it very difficult to find a person who has exactly what you want and who is willing to buy what you have, right? So in order to deal with this problem of double coincidence of wants, we need a medium of exchange. So we can say, to smoothen the transactions in an economy, an intermediate good is necessary, which is acceptable to both parties. Such a good is called money. In other words, we can say money is any object that is generally accepted as a payment for goods and services in a given economy. There is a characteristic of money, right? This you have to keep in mind, that it is very commonly accepted. Everyone in your economy will accept this, right? And it is a medium of exchange. Money is nothing but a medium of exchange. These two words you have to remember. Money is a medium of exchange and it is commonly accepted, right? This solves the problem of barter system, in which we did not have any medium of exchange which was commonly accepted. So what are the functions of money? Money acts as a medium of exchange. As we have already discussed, money can put a value on each and every good, right? You know what you can buy in 100 rupees. For example, you need 100, you need some rice. So you know how much you can buy if you have only 100 rupees, right? You know how much milk you can buy if you have only 100 rupees. You know how much services you can take in exchange of 100 rupees. So money is a medium of exchange. It is acceptable everywhere in that economy, right? It also acts as a convenient unit of account. A convenient unit of account. It puts a value to each and every good and service in the economy, right? So, for example, let us say you can get 10 pens in 100 rupees. That means that 1 unit of pen is equal 10 rupees, right? Or 10 units of money can buy one pen, right? The third function is that it acts as a store of value. If there is no money, right, in the absence of money, how would you accumulate your wealth? If you have rice, if you have gold, if you have, all these commodities and all, it will be very difficult to store all these commodities. For example, you have a lot of agrarian product, rice, wheat, sugarcane, and all. These all are perishable products, right? But money is not. Uh, Today we have digital money also, so it can last longer. It is a good store of value, right? So money has three functions. It is a medium of exchange. It is a convenient unit of account, and it also acts as a store of value. Thank you.